Hello my people, I greet the full house. Also now dey fine. Una do well, so una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well well. My people, our brother Stanley Osakwenokwodi, he don talk for this matter about that woman wey cry come out for her land for Okoromina, wey buy land. I go put the video. I pray make dem do something about it, because una know why? Because all these things dey make people dey run to invest money. Some people get money for account, they just get money, but if they tell them say make dem come buy land, dem dey fear, because na suffer na person take work that money keep for there. E go want make invest the money, but when you go come to say maybe person wan go buy something, now you come dey fear for your state again, for your whole country. You come dey fear say if I go buy that money, if I go buy that land now or buy anything for there now, all the work wey you work go come be like say all na just all na rubbish. Now you just throw away everything. Now you sweat to take work that money. So he don talk about this land of this woman wey cry come out. My brothers and sisters, una know say this community no be the first time wey somebody dey cry come out say see the land wey I buy o, see wetin happen to the land, say dem don collect am for a hand. I will put another one video about this. I even do audio about this video wey I go put, when the lady say he buy the land for 5.5 million. When the woman come dey cry for there say the land wey he buy o, see wetin dem dey do for this community o. All this thing no good, because dem dey make people dey run make dem no buy something, make dem just cause if person get money dem go say make una come invest the money, make una come invest the money, make we for develop the country, the state. But when person go come suffer say okay, see my money, I want make I do something, make the but dem come do am in a way say that land you come buy am 10 times. That kind thing no good. If person buy land, una don tell am wetin una need, wetin e suppose to do, e don do am. It's okay like that, because dem dey make person take dey fear, make person dey run, dey go dey buy for another state. If you see many Edo people, dem dey go dey buy land for Lagos now. Dem go just dey go that side, because dem say dem if dem buy am, everything dem go dey okay, dem no go stress theirself. Better wow, when you buy now, dem come tell you say no be there dem come give you again, make you come go another place, make you come go another community, and na that community na you be buy o. Because you say you no want make you fight, make your money no waste, you come really go where dem come give you, e no go even finish for there. All these things no good. Na shame. People dey fear to even cause to find money anywhere wey you dey, where you for dey work, dey get your money. E no easy, even though say na that Edo state, even though say abroad sef the same thing, no easy. Early in the morning you go work, person go come tell you say all the money wey you work, wey you gather take do something, na so something come do am. That person fit just get heart attack, e go kpeme for there because of wetin you tell am, because all him life na he take work gather the money. I pray make dem help this woman out, really. I pray, because no be the first time. All this kind thing no good. E make people dey fear. E dey make people dey fear. Even oyibo say, when oyibo go see all this kind thing, go say na so dem dey do am for na country. E go say if I get money, I no fit go say I wan go buy something for there, because dem dey fear. Dem go say una dey do una sef like this. Talk less of say person wey no come be the una go just say wetin that person go talk. That person no get mouth to talk at all. I pray make dem do something, because na dem dey house. So he talk about wetin happen between this land for this woman, wey this woman buy for wetin dey for that community. Osakwenokwodi talk a little bit of wetin happen for there. I pray, because na dem dey house, so make dem do something, make all this thing no dey come out again, because many people dey wey dey inside, wey dem don lost their land, even house sef wey dem don build am reach up, dem go say dem no get voice, dem go collect am from their hand. Those people dem no fit talk. Dem no fit talk. If dem talk say dem even tell dem say if una do anything, una go hear for una family go na go hear am. Really, dem no talk. Im mama go say la go abeg my pikin, hide me for here, you know say you no dey this side. All these things dem dey make am say they do am make people no come dey invest money at all. Who get money now? Person wey get money now, wey your year say you say whether the Ohoromi na community, e go run. E go run, e no go buy. Even though say they will tell you say na person wey wan sell na genuine land. You know, because you don see this one now. Person just don build the house reach little just to na just to roof am. You can't tell am say e no get anything for there. Say na you can't get am. What about the money we use? Okay, maybe assuming say na mistake say dem sell am. The money wey the woman use, you go give her everything back. A to Z, not let her lose anything. Then you go collect the land. Then they don't dey do am like that. They will beat you, join your money. Say make you go call person wey you wan go call, come. As this one take do am now, not be the first time. Not be the first time. E don fair happen early this year. When one lady cry come out. Say see me oh, I go put the video my people. More na watch am. So I go still put Osakweno hold the journal. More na still hear wetin he still talk. All these things got to finish. We say me Edo move forward. Because if they do all these things, Edo will never move forward. Never. Because people wey get money, they go suffer leave am for bank for there. Make their money they may stay there. Say no, they cry. They anytime when they like, they'll go collect their money. E good where they'll go buy land, they'll come bid them joiner. Bid them put for their property joiner. Say you not get voice. Land you not can get. Money you lose. Everything you lose. Many people don't dey like that. My brothers and sisters, may we fight. I pray, especially those one wey dey house. May they try, may Obaseki hear wetin dey go on. Because na only Obaseki na go fit talk put for this matter wey dey ground. Because we all wey dey here, we go fit carry am come out. Push am may reach him hand. Na only that one that we go fit do. We no dey ground. My people, I beg, mona help me share am. Mona help me just dey share am. May I put on. God bless you. One love. Una do well. So una take dey help me take dey share. I appreciate.
Well done, man. What be your name, man? Okay. Ma, abeg, this is Naija word. On our children wey dey Obodo, na get interest for this matter. So they want to ask, abeg, tell us wetin happen, why the experience as you talk to them just now.
My land, when I go back from Ohoromi, I got it now 5.5 million.
How much?
5.5. But they don't do 2-3 bedrooms structure put before I buy the land. Now I come start to develop them. I don't do feeling, do everything. I be contractor. I dey contractor for 58 years now. 38 years ago. So make na help me beg go high, make me leave my land for me. But see, they come carry the one by near now. I don't know whether that one genuine. Let me my husband go carry police. Make he come serve a paper, make he sign. Whether if you carry that land, say whether wahala no go dey. As a reader, and I love the policeman for inside the compound. But later still release the policeman. So make they help me beg am. I beg and they beg. They make a big banner for me. I make give me another one in chain. I make give me a property. Now they beg
me. That property, so it demolish your property.
No, it destroyed the beauty. It destroyed duplex at the build.
Okay.
With 2 bedrooms for the back. It demolished to your taste. It destroys a part. It can't take a thought whether I took that the work of you. But I don't call it there. If you don't let me read this in that day. But the beg government, the beg government, but they help me beg them. Make me give them. I say, why people come meet up myself? I beg and they beg, I beg and they beg.
How long did this thing don't happen now? When this matter?
Now today complete 2 weeks. So
2 weeks where they do this one now. And I hand you buy am.
No, for the community now for buy.
This size of land, madam.
50 by 100.
50 by 100. Okay, man, we don't hear you. Well, we make sure say those who get authority, may they hear this matter. Who happy as our people they cry here, those are mother to our highly reverend monarch Oba of Benin, may he prevail into this matter and I just tell government so that may they bring peace to the land.
I want every people go meet and they fear to go they make it up for kidney because I'm a people. I'm a people go meet up for us. I don't know how to do again. I don't
Thank you, man. We will ensure say authority go do. What will be your name, sir?
My name is Kede Olime, a tipper driver.
Okay. Maybe tell us wetin happen or wetin chairman talk about. He wanna go please.
Okay. I follow Ohoromi by land since 2015. We build am one roofing level, the other one foundation level. When we dey build on that foundation level, he come say with the law already take land from take over from Egbiri already that we come and settle. We go there go meet them come pay. They say we go bring 500,000. We say we no get 500,000. We don't buy this land before I beg. Say 300 from us. Say no. So we call one Mr. Wasa to help us beg the Ogoromi that come beg am come please on our behalf because the people bring 300,000. So my lord who dey with me that I call and say they say me I give you 300,000. He say yes. Say he go send the boys which is the PA down to us to give am to collect the money because when the PA when they call they bring black car come. They say me I collect 300,000 from the hand. I will say okay more person call the back. We come for the back. They say yes my boys. He said they bring black car. He say yes give them the 300. Come give them the 300. They come allow come give the view. So this year again, when one start again, they say no. Say court don't give them order. Say me they take over their land. That we should go and settle them. We never settle this matter. They say no. We go meet 800,000. We go meet the Ohe say no. We go meet Okayele. We went back to Okayele. Okayele say we go bring 800,000. What 800,000 we want bring? Come please the court go collect. We bring a 400, which we give Okayele. So we need them go check work. They say no. Say we no go there. Say now they don't even take over the whole land. That they are not giving us anything. And they come back, come meet back will say no. This way around so no, you know good. I beg. We beg say they no go agree. So how this matter call start. So we see the beggar. Even not only me, other people they cry. Say may they give them their land back. This way they do it no good. You must have to suffer my own. They don't even my own say where the foundation, they begin to dig the foundation. They more block for there, they don't begin to work. That kind of police go arrest the engineer before the government say may they never go there again. They should stop work for now. The matter is being resolved. So even our chairman even send us say more call the matter, more call. We go, you see you don't do here, you don't do anything. So we don't tire. So okay, now they cannot be there. What you want me to go do? May they give us our land back.
But you say they collect much for your hand, they collect your hand.
The first one they collect $300, which I bet you before.
You don't collect.
If you say you say but the boys go sit there. If you say no collect, I may go swear the Ogoba. If you really stand, say he no collect money, he no send the boys come collect money, and the Okagele sit stand, and now he see collect 400. Say they say they told they say they no collect money, may they come to Ogoba.
Okay.
Wala gesan o. Abela me bije me, ibi edo no egwa ire, ibi edo no zomo, ibi edo ya no manoro tagbo na hia. Era me bije me wala wa bumere. Ogwa me na kin. O to na do 100 by 100, na do Egbiri, o be woni ati Egbiri. Oribe saso pana le we Egbiri oribe nyama kin afie badru we okporo mi ori nyama na. Na pa na be bu ojo we okporo mi kekebe abe eda so okporo mi. Igi buya ina do ka mi awe even 100 by 100 mana ibo bokpa mewo bo na we oma oboni me boni we ni ari ya setu imo boni me boni oni 50 by 100 boni oni ga ho me obono ke bo na mi oni the other 50 by 100 bo na we ni me ga iwu ido fie bewere iwe do le molu nebo na pa ina do abojan we bia ga iwu ni ya fie bewere ke ni ya le molu nebo ona do ka mame ina do we na do le molu nebo ina do fie begwe na do rie Egbiri no gwe na do rie nebo ebo na do rie ebo horo mi ogin ya ni ya mo boy ojan we ozupo geva secretary ya na mono boy ne beni ya na do rie be 50 by 100 ogo to na ya na do rie me na sun wa o wa me na do sun na boy ni o wa na foundation ga age na do sun na bo na do bo wa na do bo se ahan ikan na o hen ni o han ga horo mi ona that day ona do fence ona do gbogba yo le Ghana ona fence so do kogo me ma be owo me na pa oda me bo ori fence na ona we yogi nya go me na owo me na yogi nya o yogi nya go me na ina do bo e bana no la wo ra me o to me nikin o gwa me nikin ogwo gware ma na we o gware ma we yon nya wo to na ya fefe Iyonya wo tona ya fera mi wa bumere nu wa dogume yimi o he no ro khoro mi obo kan igbino via wa gume yimi no so wa me na eme isusa ye wa na gbe 26 years o ye ni kenwin na me tiketishi ona pa mi ni emi na pari ni emi wana pari ni eyi ge teacher na yahu for 26 years you get teach mo te dona Ọlọ́run wo la me je me wa bu mere nu wa wi yo bo wa na me ameke na so wa na eme isu se ye mo wa na gbe isu se yo gbe o wa ni wa bo so duku awa mi le me be ri oni a wala wa bu mere nu wa gume si yo wa na me waya wese no gume gun ayo waya wese no gume temata ye wo wa na se eme waya wese.
I remain my humble self, your number right activist, Commissioner Yosazo Sahuno Hooding, Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, CEO Stando Sadi Enterprise, in fact, the CEO of Woman Edo State. And I'm really here to ask a question. This question is directed to His Excellency, Governor Godwin Oyegase Obaseki. I want to know if the Ohen of Okoromi is above the law. Now we are saying traditional. This man is becoming and unbecoming in the society. And nobody is talking to him. He's moving freely. Is he above the law? Let us know. Now, some few days ago, we got a video of a full completed building demolished by this same miscreants. A full completed building demolished by the same miscreants. Edo we no ego area goa. A completed building, I have the video, demolished by the same miscreants. Till date, nothing happened. The guys, even the young man wrote to me again yesterday. Come, Mona, help me now. I beg, Mona, help me now. You need to see the breathing. Mona, help me now. I beg, Mona, help me now. He wrote, let me check what he wrote to me yesterday. You can imagine. Look at the video of his house being demolished. You see the video? And I will show you the house in itself. Ohen Okoromi demolished it to the ground. Now let me show you this is the house. We need to know, because the governor cannot tell us that he has not been seeing this crime about this Ohen Okoromi. What is happening? First, even if we are waiting for the PPP law, fine. Malicious damage alone is enough for this man to go to prison. What is still happening? What is still happening? Now look at a video again this morning that emerged online. A woman crying. This one pay me rich boy yourselves now. I don't feel better again. I said I will come out by 10. I cannot wait till 10. I have to change it. Let me show you. Let me come out with the video. Imagine a woman like my mother. My mother is a teacher. After many years of service, she never fit do anything. This one which the woman don't manage, they do, they go now. This same miscreant go first and say, I get the whole land. When the whole community collect money from this woman, they agree, they approve them. This is when come and go first woman and say, hey, Motoba. Is this when God? Or are we treating some with kid glove? Let me show you the video.
Wala kesa o awela me bije me ibi eto no egwa ire ibi eto nu zomo ibi eto ya no manoro tagbon na hia era me bije me wala wa pumere ogwa me na kin o to na do 100 by 100 na do egbiri o be oni ati egbiri ori be saso pana we egbiri ori be nyama yan fie badru we oporo mi ori nyama na na pa na be po ojo we oporo mi keke be ade eda so oporo mi igi punya ina do kami awe even 100 by 100 mana ipopokpa mewo bona we oma oponi me boni veni ari ya setu imo poni me boni oni 50 by 100 oponi boni oni ga home opono ke bona mi oni the other 50 by 100 bona we ni me ga yu ito fie pe we ye ibe to le molu nebo ina pa ina do apojan we bia ga yu ni ya fie pe we ke ni ya le molu nebo on do kama me ina do we do le molu nebo ina do fie pe we ya do rie begbiri no gwe mi adori nebo ebo na dori ebo horo mi ogin ya ni ya mo boy ojan we ozupoke va secretary ya na wonu boy ni beni ya na dori pe 50 by 100 owo to na ya na dori me na so wa mi na do so na bo ni o wa na foundation ga ase na do so na bo na do bo wa na do bo se ayan kan na o hen ni o ha ga horo mi ona that day ona do fence ona do gbogba yo le Ghana ona fence so do kowo me kowe mare owo me na pa oga me wo ori fence na ona we yogi nya owo me na yogi nya o yogi nya go me na ina do boy bana no la wo ra me o to me ni ki o gwa me ni ki o gbogba re ma na we o gwa re ma we yon nya wo to na ya fefe iyo nyawo tona ya be fera mi wa bumere nu wa do kume yimi o he no ro horo mi obo ha igbino via wa gume yimi no so wa mi na eme isu sa yo wa na gbe 26 years o ye ni ke win na be ticket si ona pa mi ni emi ona pa mi ni emi o wa me pa mi ni emi ge ti so le yawo for 26 years you get to mo te dona wala wo la me je me wa bu me nu wa wi yo bo wa na me ame ke na so wa na me isu sa ye mo wa na gbe isu sa yo gbe o wa ni wa pa so duku awa mi le me be ri oni a wala wa bu me nu wa gume si yo wa na me wa ya we se no gume gun ayo wa ya we si no gume te mata ye wo wa na se me wa ya we si.
I will not rush into conclusion. Let's wait and see the action of the governor in respect to this issue. We do not need to wait for PPP law before this man is taken to prison. Okay, now, all leaders in the community, you said this land belongs to the woman bought from Egbiri. Now, Okoromi said they own that place. And she bought 100 by 100 from Egbiri. The woman ran to Okoromi. Okoromi elders now said, we cannot give you 100 by 100. We are going to take 50 from you and we're going to give you 50. You are going to pay for this, and that's why I come for the Emolu. The woman paid everything, and she was given the opportunity to start a job. The elders of the community and all, they even include your job. One small boy they call worker because you go to wear ododo, you they wear red. You not come, you say, wait till the elders of the community talk, say not be in. Say now only you be the community. Oh, you don't have a right. Now to do you the serve, you not be anybody. Amen. This is the penny. See, we await Governor Obaseki's action on this issue. His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki, you cannot tell me you have not seen this video. You must act against this man. If you don't act against this man, some of us will begin to have reasons to begin to think twice. Because there was a case before. To date, nothing has happened. Again, new one again. This man is now turning to a demigod in those states. What's happening? What is happening? Who is this Owen? Is it God? Is it the Oba of Benin? Even the Oba of Benin has not done this kind of thing to anybody. Talking of one miscreant from one community. Shit. I'm not going to tell you loud. The way they sit there, they pay me here. Anybody will get mama. My mother is a teacher. See the cry when this woman, they cry. Well, after 26 years, the woman never reached me fast. She did buy one land 2 times. After 26 years, she never feel roof fast. She did buy one land 2 times. She never even cry. I bought 100 by 100. You collected 50. I went to still resettle for the 50. Now one man can say in the name of Ohen, if they face the land, they go because they look for land we want to say. See, let me tell you, the only way to ensure a law-abiding society is for anyone who committed crime such as this should be made to face the full wrath of the law. Because if this Ohoromi not see win for this action, and we come go see other people, they hear win, we will not say we bend the law. I'm telling you the truth. Ohe Ohoromi must. Now, we know what happened recently with the Tipa a garage. I did demolish the go. Everybody say, okay, Tipa garage says you own too much. How will you hold your whole entire community and the other community, adjoining community hostage? This is the same thing that we are talking about. Ohe Ohoromi and the rest, they are all CDAs. This is not only to the governor alone. The Oba of Benin, who the Ohe is claiming to be representing, because Oba of Benin own everything, own the whole of us. Oba of Benin need to talk to this Ohe as well. He need to talk to this Ohe as well. The Oba of Benin must, as a matter of urgency, sorry for using the language must, because he's a God king on earth. But Omo atokpe Ohoromina make some of us where Benin people not going to reason say maybe he get back up somewhere and make it do all this thing. Untouchable. He has become untouchable. The land where they build the hotel, the person land they collect. Now just recently now, he facing new one. He's facing new one. Just recently, he's facing new one. No, for those who don't, we just the joy. This is the cry of a woman. Let me tell you. Now, woman will tell so. Everybody will there, so we get mama. Listen to this cry. If you're not touching, let me see your heart now, iron heart.
Ogwami na hin o chone na do 100 by 100 na do egbiri o be oni ati egbiri ori be saso pana we egbiri ori be nyama yan fie badru we Ohoromi ori nyama na na pa na be boy ojo we Ohoromi keke be ade eda so Ohoromi na ipopopa mewo bona we oma oponi me boni be nya ya setu imo boni me boni oni 50 by 100 boni oni ga home obono ke bona mi no oni the other 50 by 100 bona we ni me ga iwu ido fie be we ye ibe to le molu nebo na pa na do apojan we bia ga iwu ni ya fie be we ke ni ya le molu nebo on do ka mame ina do we do le molu nebo ina do fie be we na do rie e begbiri no gwe na do rie nebo bona do rie e bo Ohoromi ogi ya ni ya mo boy ojan we ozupoke va secretary ya na munu boy ni beni na do rie be 50 by 100 owo to na na do rie me na so wa me na do so na bo ni wa na foundation ga ase na do so na bo na do bo wa na do bo se anya ikan na Oheni Ohaga Ohoromi ona do fence na do gbogba yo le Ghana ona fence so do kowo me kore mare owo me na pa oga me bo ori fence na ona we yogi nya ho me na owo me na yogi nya yogi nya go me na ina do boy bana no la wo ra me o to me ni ki o gwa me ni ki o gbogba re mo na we o gwa re ma we yon nya wo to la ya fefe yon nya wo to na ya fefe ra me wa bu mere nu wa do ku me yin mi Ohe no ro Ohoromi obo kan igbi no fia wa gu me yin mi no so wa me na me isu sa yo wa na gbe
See woman dey cry.
Sisi aso ye ni ken win na we ticket ona pa mi ni emi ona pa mi ni emi o wa me pa mi ni emi get so le yawo but the sisi aso ka tichi but I don't know ona wo la me je me wa bu me nu wa wi jo bo wa na me ameke na so wa na me isu sa ye mo wa na gbe isu sa yo gbe o wa ni wa pa so duku awa mi le be ri oni a wala wa bu mere nu wa gume si yo wa na me wa ya we se no gume gun ayo wa ya we si no gume te mata ye wo wa na se me wa ya we si.
This is not about leaving the woman's house alone. The woman, I saw on a video just now. I can show you again. For those who just came in, you can show you again. Just give me some minutes. I can show you the video again. May you see what the person do. Enter person house. You reach there, you break up. You demolish on this ground. Call you the look for land you want to say. This guy wrote me yesterday. Before a old guy man, they cry. Bros, abe, money help me now. Money help me now. Money I spend. Now money I spend. See, for those who don't buy block before, you go know how difficult it is to even erect. You know, talk of go buy granite, buy the rest, pour. You know how much with that one? One man will just come out from somewhere. We know if you balance on that community. If not the community matter, can we go make cat money to buy land? You know if you buy land, we want to another car was ready do. We want to see money to buy land. He don't reach to buy land. He never reach. You know if you buy land. Go left free money for community to intimidate people. Now I don't know whether people not get conscience. So you just see this kind of woman go they cry for your parents. Say, "La will see. I mean, you see strong your mind. Who did you and who did you?" Now me talk on something when holding. Ask question. Ask question. You be evil human being. Let me look for this. Please. I don't forget this video again. Let me see. I don't forget that video for now. A full house, the on ground. You demolish everything. You collect the land. The boy called me yesterday, tell me that my land, so that pay don't build that school. That my land, that pay money help me a beg. When we look the house, I don't need to reach there. I don't already value the property. I know how many million don't come up for the boy hand. Nigeria now where it's easy to spend money, but to get now war. Governor Baseki, please, if you like, you catch 60 or Kareli and send them to prison. Those of Kareli, we need them there for prison if they go against the law. But you see this one economy, if you never go prison, that law no work. If Ohoromi never go prison, even if you say the whole Kareli in the door, where they violate the law, go prison. If Ohoromi not go prison, the law no work. It is the truth. If Ohoromi they go for freely, when me and you know say malicious, now let me tell you what is supposed to happen. Even if Ohoromi win a case in court, and the person will buy wrongly from another place, there is room for ADR. Alternative dispute resolution. My brother, you know one bit for the whole place with the I beg. I don't know say I beg for the wrong side. I be waiting me the cost of this land here. How much? You say, okay, see the amount of gas, see what you have I beg. You carry money, you pay. If you continue building, not say you carry bulldozer come begin bulldoze everywhere, come on. Now talk of this situation where even be say your community approve us, okay, or the way of the community, or the way now get community pass away. Go and confirm. Or Dion Way is in charge of community more than Ohen. Ohen had to do the serve. Or Dion Way took decision. Also, Goriva took decision. Dion is sat. All the community sit down, approve. Only you want to say that you get the old land in that place. You will be small picking for age because they give you no Ohen. Anybody where this thing no pain, no say that person, it might not be good man. I say I won't come out by 10. I don't feel better. Ordinarily, I never supposed to come out today for life. Because I get many programs to run today. But when I see this woman video, I don't feel better again. I see the rest. You know, I talk up normal talk, but this one, as I think, so before me come to say, I'm asking Governor Obaseki if this man is above the law. So you suppose not say this, don't pay me this bill. The law don't dey paper. We don't write am. Make it start. And the first place to go, place the beam light on this miscreant. In the name of which you went? We went for who? We went for your community and went for yourself. Not before we. Ohe for your community and ohe for your juju within your community. Not the one within now our own community. The juju within our why. Or why ready? Me, I not believe in juju. Our father, Oba Atokbe, let me not deceive you. Everybody in Edo State, people respect traditional institution a lot. To the extent that if care is not taken, traditional institution may be stronger than government in Edo State, which is not supposed to be so. It is not supposed to be so. That is the truth. But our tradition and culture has from long usage obtained most value and laws, which we must protect. Daddy, we will not want this kind of miscreant to destroy our long-held tradition. You have to collaborate with the government of the day to ensure that this man is brought to book. If we say no nonsense, it should be applicable to all our sundry, including Osakomokudi. This Ohe Okoromi is a problem. And the chief spearheader of CDA activities in Edo State. And just yesterday we saw the news that the Oba retreated commitment to stand by the governor in respect to checking the activities of this CDS group who have metamorphosed into Okaigele. We have Okaigele in Benin, you can't change it. Then let us not even trickle it to Okaigele alone. You have Okaru, Okaigele, Igbamas in the community. So, hello, I'm on live, please. I'm on live, just come in some few, like 30 minutes. Thank you. Egele and the rest, we have it in communities. All this, what was the historical antecedent of these persons right from history? You got to recall, go and clear and maintain your roots. The youth stands to defend the community from external aggression and maintain peace in respect to internal subversion. Diodion Werez, also Pogiva Dionene, Elikao, want to celebrate Maria Awogu, Ahiamwemiu. The Okagele comes in with the youth, they pounded the yam. Hello? Hello? Alpha? I did. We were both pressure on me. Mary left me when if I true now to call you back. You wait. I didn't life. I'll call you back. He did life. So, as I was saying, that is the responsibilities of these persons. There is okay, we want to do it. Okagele will come with the youth, they will pound a man. Then, Kagele will say, okay, they will kill the goat or any other thing that is requested for the traditional juju. Nowhere in history as Okagele will be bestowed with the mantle of leadership to begin to sell land in the community. And let me tell you, in terms of land tenure system in history, go and check. They have right to community land. And the community land is headed by the Odion way of the community. Then you have right to family land. Family land is headed by the head of the family. So, if one miscreant come and say, Naim Okagele, na you go sell land, you are selling illegal land. And those people must go to prison as well. Yes, in the past, the Shomole administration approved the CDA, Community Development Association. Even as we speak today, the Obaseki administration has a CDC, a Community Development something. Even I'm a member of CDC, of the Obaseki administration. Different from selling land activity. The goal is you have both the PDP members, you have APC, you have Otiomwe, you have human rights activists. I'm part of it as a human rights activist, not because I'm a member of the PDP or an absolute supporter of the governor. No, I was incorporated into the scheme of things as an activist. I took activist role in my ward, Ward 2, Ubaka local government area of Edo State. Ward Development Committee, good. World Development Committee, yes. So the Shomole administration gave the CDA limelight, and they took it beyond what is normal. You just see the Doyo run entire side, Smith the ground, the Doyo sees everything. The person Smith will just kick, and person where they kick this Smith so cannot even bear. Person where they kick this Smith so cannot even bear. 3,700, 3,600 naira worth of bag of meat. They can buy it. They can buy it. Please, 1 minute.